Hey there, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeuptwinn, aka Miss C, and today we are going to be testing out Dollarama eyeshadows. So if you're interested on seeing what we create and how we got this face to look so beat, make sure you stay tuned or stick around or hop on that sleigh train and catch a ride in first class. Okay, so getting to it. All right, so I was in Dollarama and I saw these quad eyeshadows, so I figured I might as well pick them up and test them out and see how they go. So the brand is called Tiggy, T-I-G-I, and it's just a high density quad eyeshadow, and that's what they look like. Right beside each other, that's what they look like. So I'm not too sure if you can tell, but there's some shimmery ones and then there's some matte ones. For this one there's 3 shimmers and then the black one looks matte, and then for this one there's 2 shimmers and then 2 other of the colors are matte. So on the back here it just says create a natural or dramatic look. Formula can be used wet or dry. To intensify color, use Tiggy liquid enhancer. They didn't have that at Dollarama, so it's not the end of the world. We'll still create a beat face. So I paid $4 for this. So I hope that it's good, because $4 is the most that you can spend at Dollarama, so I'm like, well shit, that's $8 right there. So getting it out of the boxes, oh, they do have, okay Tiggs, I see you. All right, so these are what the packages look like. I'm kind of surprised, and on the back it's like, oh, I'm gonna blind ya, watch out. But on the back it has the names of each of the things, each of the eyeshadow palettes, little mini palette I guess. So this one here is called Last Call, and then this one here is called Lush. I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to turn out and kind of like what look we can create today. Not too sure. I don't know if we should be going for trying to look cute or we trying to look bad. I think I'm gonna go for more of a, I don't know, my last look was kind of daytime, so I think I'm gonna take it a little bit more dramatic today with these colors. I'm gonna be taking this brown shade right here, because that's the only brown shade that there is, and I'm gonna go in and put this in the crease and use this as a transition color, I think. So I'm just gonna dip on in. There's a lot of product. It's already gone into the other color. Which isn't the end of the world. You can literally just blow it away. And then I'm not too sure if you saw that, but that's a lot of fallout, so we're just gonna go into it and see what we can do. Now I think I'm gonna zoom you in. Wow, that's not bad for that to be Dollarama. She's showing up. She's coming to party. This brown's coming to party, everybody. Okay, so I definitely need to blend this bad boy out. So again, I'm just going into my crease and going in like a windshield motion. And I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I'm feeling like kind of panic mode because I didn't expect it to be that pigmented. Use a blending brush and we're going to make sure that that's not so harsh right now. And again, you're just creating it, so you're just buffing out that line so it looks more, not easy on the eyes, but it just doesn't look as harsh from like, oh wow, like she forgot to blend, you know? So literally just taking, you can take any brush and you're just going over the spot that you just worked. Really, I'm pretty impressed right now. And so now that's blended out, it's not looking as harsh. So I'm just gonna be taking a little bit more of that brown color and working into it. And again, I'm gonna be doing that V just for right now. We'll add some more depth as we go along, but for the V again, we're taking it here. We're creating a V essentially. So the V starts here and then goes up along your crease. Again, you can bring it in, like you can bring it in however much you want towards your inner corner, but I'm just gonna play on the outside a bit. For a second, I thought there was a mirror on here, so I was literally just like, but there ain't no mirror. There ain't no mirror at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what both of the eyes look like. They are now done. And that's literally just from using the brown and then adding more, blending it out, adding more. So now I think I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm gonna add that on the lid. And again, I'm just gonna be taking the crease brush from the video that we did last time and we're literally just gonna be putting it over the lid. And let's see if she wants to part it too. And she does. Literally just stabbed my eyes as I just did that, so just bear with me. Don't do that, guys. All right, so it kind of doesn't look like the shade as it does in the pan on the lid, but it does in a way, if that makes sense. It's a little bit more like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's there, but it's not there. I don't really know, guys. It's looking kind of like more green than I thought. So I'm just gonna now try using it with my finger and putting it on my lid instead as opposed to the brush. And I'm seeing a huge difference. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit over here because then again, we're gonna blend it out and then we're gonna probably put that black in and make some more dimension to really like stand out. But you can literally, there. Now I'm just gonna be taking one of those brushes and blending it. And this one is a shimmer. But I mean, I'm not mad at it. There is some fallout on my face. You see that highlight though? But that's not a big deal. We can literally just wipe that out again with a brush or a makeup wipe or whatever your heart desires. It's no big deal. And that's like, I'm kind of like half impressed because I'm like, Dollarama. Well, so now I think I'm gonna be adding a little bit more brown for right now, and then I'm just gonna be making more depth and then I'll create that black. So I'm just gonna be taking it again in the V and then bringing it up, and then I'm gonna be taking another brush and then just blending it on through. And you're kind of blending the two colors together so there's no like harsh separation there. You could if you wanted to. It's literally your prerogative. Whatever floats your boat, dude. So that's what it's looking so far. That's not half bad. Pretty impressed with this little guy. I think I'm gonna add more of that blue color, and I think actually I'm gonna add this color right here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do just for fun, just to test out to see how they are. I'm not too sure if I said this earlier, but I did prime my eyelids with concealer and I already set them. So I just used like Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in shade medium peach. And then I just set it with my Milani Prep Set and Go. All right, so now I'm just gonna be taking a different finger and taking this cranberry and just, I feel like it just, it's looking a lot better with my finger than it would a brush. So I'm just gonna add it like right here. I'm gonna bring it over actually. And then I'm gonna blend the shit out of it because this ain't looking the way I want it then. I'm kind of like, why'd I do that? I'm just gonna be blending the two colors together. And it kind of blends to nowhere. It's not there anymore. There's mad fallout on my face, but there's nothing to pay off for it. So that was a fail. So I'm just gonna add more brown and pretend I didn't do that. Should have stayed in my lane. Should have stayed in my lane. I was thinking like, oh, this is looking good. They're all gonna work good. And then this is what I get. There's a lot of fallout now on my face. And I never do my foundation before I do my eyes. And now I'm like, this is why I don't do my foundation before my eyes. Okay. So this is the eye. This is the look. Not mad at it. Not hating it. Not loving it. But kind of impressed. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other eye, and I'm going to avoid this cranberry color because I think maybe we'll try it underneath the eye. I don't know. I was feeling It's feeling adventurous, I guess. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye, and I will be right back. Now is I'm going to use Last Call, and I'm going to be taking this black right here and putting it in my outer corner and kind of just adding more depth to it to see if that kind of helps put the look all together. And we shall see. Like, I'm just literally just packing it on in the outer and kind of just taking it up where my crease is. Just shoving that bad boy in there. And then, yeah, I'm just kind of packing it on now just because I'm not too sure how this looks. Again, I might regret that after, but life's taking out. Life's all about risks, right? This is the look. First off, you know, we gotta clean some stuff up. Again, there's fallout. Not the end of the world, though. And then I'm just gonna be taking it and blending it so it doesn't look as harsh. Alright, so I just blended the shit out of it and I cleaned it up and cut it so it's kind of like a cut smoky eye, teal smoky eye going on. I'm not really too sure. I kind of just, I don't know, I just kind of gambled with it. I'll try to make it the exact same, but it's probably not going to happen. So just letting you know now, if it's uneven, I already know. Alright, so this is the eye look that we have going on. My thoughts on this black, I'm pretty impressed. Usually with cheap makeup, when it comes to black, the pigment isn't really good. And it doesn't really stay. So my thoughts right now are I'm pretty impressed, but I guess we will see how it turns up and how it stays. I'm not going anywhere though, but I will test it out for you. I'll do that. So this is the look. I don't think I'm going to add a wing or an eyeliner at the top because I think that the eyes kind of speak for itself. It's dramatic enough. But I will be trying out a new mascara, and I got the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black, and it's dramatic volume building mascara. That's just what it looks like. I got in carbon black. I literally just said that. And it says it's 2 times the intensity. But I saw this and it was on sale, so I was like, can't not get it. I think they saw me coming. I'm going to curl my lashes using my eyelash curler that we got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be doing the exact same thing that I said, looking down and holding and pressing it for probably 10-15 seconds. So now I'm gonna be taking the mascara. This is what the wand looks like, and it just looks like that. Yeah, I've never used this product before, so it's first time for everything. So I'm literally just gonna be blinking and just coating the lashes. I don't know if I'd just use this on its own. Like, I think I would use this with another product, with my Essence. I hope you guys check out Essence. They've got really great mascaras. I'm trying to get sponsored. Just kidding. Alright, so this is what the lashes are looking like with the voluminous mascara. I'm pretty impressed. I think this is, I think it does exactly what it says. It definitely voluminizes my lashes, makes it pretty dramatic. I think it goes perfect with this look. So now I think we're just gonna move on to the bottom. I think, what color do I want for the bottom? I think I'm going to go with this blue. So I'm just gonna get a smudge brush, just like looking like this. And I'm going to just take this midnight blue color at the bottom and just smudge it under. It's a shimmer, but again, I'm trying to be a shimmery goddess. So let's see, do I have you zoomed in? Yep, awkward. So I'm just gonna take it and just literally smudge that bad boy on in. So I'm just gonna be using the L'Oreal Luminous Mascara and put it on my bottom lashes as well. So this is the final look that we have going on with the eyes. I added some gold in the inner corner, and then I just added my highlight in for the eyebrow bone. I'm pretty impressed with these colors, with the brand. I'm not mad at it, definitely not. I think the only problem that I had was with that cranberry color. It just blended away to nothingness. I didn't try all of the colors out, but the colors that I did try, I'll zoom you in so I can show you, is I tried the this aqua teal kind of color here. It's a shimmer. I did the brown, and then this was in Lush. And then in Last Call, I used the black and the midnight blue. So this is the look. My thoughts on these mini palettes are you definitely should go out and try it out yourself. See what looks that you can create, and make sure you comment down below and show me your looks. I think I'm going to try these out in the future and try to figure out what other kind of looks that we can create. For $4, you can't really go wrong. You can really decide. These are the only two that they had in the store. I'm not too sure if they have more of the Tiggy palettes out there, but these are the only two that I saw in any of the stores that I went. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. See you later, guys.